So there's a little excitement in our house right now, and our day changed because of some situations and stuff like that. But so today we were going to go to a state park to celebrate Memorial Day weekend. It is Monday today. You can't find your other shoe? Maybe it's by your locker there. Let's see. Gotta help her. I don't know. Does anybody see where Evelyn's other shoe is? Is it underneath there? Is it by the front door, maybe? Maybe. Okay. Yeah, Papa's gonna go to the store. Oh, here it is, Evelyn. It's over here. I got it. It's out there. See it? Out there by the basket. Okay. So the last couple days, or I think it was like maybe 2 days or so.
Flakes?
Flakes?
Yeah. Lachlan has a flake.
I don't know where he got the flake from. Oh, that's just, yeah, I don't know where them are right now. Okay? Okay, so hold on. Okay, so I'm going to keep saying okay, and so because she's just going to keep doing what she's doing. All right, sorry, I'm just looking for good lighting right now because it's really hard right now. Okay, so 2 days ago, I brought in Lachlan and Evelyn. Lachlan had a headache for about 4 or 5 days, and Lachlan usually is the one that usually gets headaches, so I kind of just blew it off for a little bit because that's just Lachlan. And so he started having ear pain and stuff, so I brought him in, and then Evelyn started complaining that she had a headache and her ear hurt too. Okay, and I brought them in, and they both had an ear infection. So then this morning at like 3:30 in the morning, Declan woke up with a headache, and then Nash woke up this morning with a headache. So I had an appointment already scheduled for Declan, so I scheduled another appointment for Nash to get seen at the same time this morning. But Gage was going to take off of work today, and we were going to go to a state park and hang out for the day. Because he was able to have somebody work for him. But because it's a holiday and Gage knows how to do stuff more than this other kid that was going to fill in for him, he wasn't able to take off. So he has to work until 5 tonight. And then we still were going to go to a state park. But then with Declan and Nash having a headache, we ended up just saying forget it. So don't have ear infections or anything, but I think I went in a little too soon just because it just happened this morning. I think if I would have maybe just let it ride its course or whatever, maybe, it would have showed up in the next couple days. So we're just going to watch out for that. So I took them to the clinic, and then I said, okay, let's go to Walmart quick because I need to pick up some stuff for this week. And then I also had to get some stuff for Miles's birthday coming up this weekend. So when I went to Walmart, I went down and saw some fireworks and stuff. So I was like, okay, let's pick up just one little thing of fireworks because, 4th of July is coming up. That's when we'll get most of our fireworks. And so I only got like a small package and stuff. Well, then we went around the corner, and then they had all this other fun patriotic stuff for Memorial Day. So I was like, okay, let's just pick out some stuff and have fun tonight at home. As long as you guys are feeling good, then we can, we already knew we were going to grill out tonight when Gage got home. So we're going to have a grill out, so I'll record all of that. And then we're going to have a bonfire because we have stuff for s'mores and stuff. And then I got some other stuff for the kids. It doesn't matter. Like, my kids don't even care if I get tablecloths and stuff. They, are so excited to have fun doing that. So I didn't plan on getting, party supplies for today because we were going to go somewhere. So it's not a lot. It's just kind of fun stuff. So I'm going to do a little grocery haul with you guys. So I have my pickup order here, and then I also have what I got from in the store also. So I will share that with you guys. And then for the rest of the day, we are going to tear down a pool. We have a pool from last year. I'll show you that. The kids are out there right now trying to do that. And then I go set up another one. Lauren's on his way right now to Walmart, and he's going to pick up the other one that we're going to be replacing it with. The pool that we have now is probably like 5 or 6 years old, and last year we hold on, I just remembered something. Okay, so last year we were going to fix it this year. If you guys remember, I know a lot of you guys have been following most of my videos, but maybe not some of my new followers. Last year, I kind of was mentioning some of the things that we were going to focus on this year, and one of them was our pool, and then the other one was going to be our garden. So we have our garden planted and stuff, and I will do that in another video for you guys. So that'll be an update. And then I really said, okay, we really got to focus on the pool. The kids really want to get in the pool. And last year I ordered some pieces for it and they were too small. And I was like, why are we trying to fix this one when we don't even know where the leak is? And to fill up this big pool and then it doesn't work, I'm like, forget it. So Lauren was saying that there were some pools at Walmart for like 300 and some, or I don't remember, 3 something. And it was actually smaller than the one that we have. And we actually need a bigger one than what we have. So when I was at Walmart, I found one for, I think it was like $360. And it's a little bit bigger than the one that we have. He said a little longer, more of an oval shape than round. So we're gonna try that out. Lauren's going to pick that up right now. I told the kids they have to help me tear down the pool. And then we're gonna set up the other pool, whether we get in it or not. Probably not today, but at least it's set up so when the weather starts getting warm. Today was gonna be in the 80s and it was supposed to be humid, and it's not. So it's like 70, 80 or whatever, and it's still nice. But we've been putting this pool off for a while, and last year I ended up getting like a small size kid pool. It was like only like $30 some. Maybe I'll list some of these down in the description. You guys can go check it out. And that one we're still gonna use for the little kids that, you know, Victor or Evelyn and maybe the grandkids, and Nash and Lachlan can go in that one because they'll be too tiny for the big one that we're gonna be getting. So I think that is it for that. And then last year at Walmart, they had a sale on this little fire pit thing that we can have up by the back door here. So we have the back door right there. And then we were able to do, you know, s'mores and stuff. We have a big campfire area, but it's not like, we don't have enough seating area. I don't know. We just don't have it like fixed up to have a nice bonfire. So it's nice to sit up here in the backyard and just do it this way. So let me show you what I got, and then I'll take you along for the rest of the day, and we'll just celebrate. And what happened? You have a bug in your eye? Is it still in your eye? Okay. And it hurts really bad? Okay, let me get you a washcloth. All right. So I'm going to start over on this side first. So all I got is 2 packs of soda. I got root beer and Canada Dry. And me and Lauren usually drink different stuff. So I have Dr. Pepper. Sorry, our door is so loud. You guys got to be more quiet with the door right now. Okay? Don't let it slam. Okay, so we have different drinks for us. But this is going to be for the kids. And then Nash saw this hat there, so he wanted that. It's easier to explain this way. So every time that I bring the kids to the clinic, they either can pick something out at the clinic. If the pharmacy is open, I give them a little treat. They can have candy or a drink or a stuffed animal. They're pretty cheap there. So I usually let them pick something out, but they weren't open. So that when we went to Walmart, I said, okay, you can pick out something. And Nash picked out the hat. And then he found a little guy, and he had this little guy. So, Uncle Sam. All right, because we like gnomes. All right, so like I said, you got the hat, and then I got some spray, plant-based, repellent, deep-free. So we'll see if that works. I think I have one of these already, so we'll see. I don't know. All right, and then I got everyone water gun. They still have fun. What do you need?
Nothing.
Okay. And then I found some party poppers, so we're going to be using these today. There's 10 in a pack. And then there's 15 cups in here, and they change colors. So they change red and blue depending on, so red and blue. So when it gets cold, then they change colors. I also got a citronella candle. I needed some dishwasher detergent. And then I found these plates. So we'll probably put our hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff on here, and then maybe even eat off of them. And then I found this little bowl, and I think we're gonna be using this for chips and queso tonight. So I have some straws. They also change colors. So the kids will have fun with that. Yeah, that'll be fun. No, not right now. And then I have a set of silverware. We have forks, spoons, and knives in here. We're gonna take down the pool. I'll be right there. All right, and then I have some glow sticks for tonight. And then I found some of this. It is hair and body glitter. So we're gonna try this out. I'm not quite sure. I'm not sure what this one is compared to this one. So we're gonna try it out. Oh yeah, that one has stars and that one is kind of just regular. So we're gonna have fun with that tonight. And then I got myself some socks. I thought that would be kind of cute and fun. And then for the big kids, so Gage, Eli, Hudson gets the powder poppers, and I wish I would have got them all white t-shirts, but I did not have this planned at all. So yeah, they're big powder poppers. I don't know, I think that's gonna be fun. And then for the little kids, they have silly string. So I got red and blue. Yep, you gotta wait. Red and blue silly string.
I love the chains color.
And then I found these flags there. I think they were only like 98 cents. No, we're gonna put these in the backyard when we have our little party tonight. We're gonna stick them in the ground around our area that we're gonna have our party with, okay? And then Declan picked this water sprayer out, and this is, I think it was like 90 some cents. And I told him that he can't have it till his birthday because that's what he wanted it for. Okay, hold on, Evelyn. Okay. And then I got some sidewalk chalk for tonight. I got a bubble blower for tonight. I have some hamburger buns. I have some hot dog buns. And then we already broke into the barbecue chips. So that was kind of our afternoon like little snack. And then I have 2 bags of chips right here because we're going to be making, like I said, chips and queso. And then we have 2 boxes of granola or graham crackers. I found these recently. I have these stuffed marshmallows. I have a couple packs that I got recently. So there's chocolate in the middle of these. So I thought that would be fun for the kids and we don't have to deal with candy bars. So we're going to try that out. And then I have hot dogs here. We have brats here. I also have hamburgers in the fridge that we're going to be frying up tonight. When Gage gets home, we're going to have him start the grill. And then I have some other stuff here, and this is going to be for Miles. This is going to be for Miles's birthday coming up this weekend. So I'm going to be making him a Minecraft pineapple cake. And we needed vanilla. We needed coconut extract. I got him some wrapping paper. I'm going to be doing some fun stuff with napkins and silverware and stuff for him. Then this is poppers. This is for Miles for his birthday. So I got him some of them. And then I got him this card. It says, I like you more than bacon. And there is no higher compliment. Happy birthday. So that is for Miles. And then I got some chocolate chip cookies and 2 packages of them. And then I have 2 packages of Oreos. And I'm going to be using 1 package each, crumbling them up around his cake. And I will show you all that the day of his birthday. And then we needed some green frosting. Some of his cake is going to have a different fill in the middle. It's going to be a pineapple frosting in the middle. And it's going to be a pineapple cake, and then we're just going to be using a green for the top for Minecraft. So I think that's it, unless I forgot. I think I forgot this cup. So Declan picked out this cup, and this one also changes colors. So He got to pick out that one. And I think that's it that I got. Left our pool out. How many years do we think we left it up? We usually take it down every year in the past. I don't know, 3, 4 years, 3.
5 years.
I don't think it comes with a ladder, but maybe it does.
Oh, well, if it doesn't,
Yeah, I don't remember.
Last one on.
Okay, so what we were gonna do is we were gonna rinse this all out, and then we were going to fill it up and then see where the hole is. But
I'm always throwing.
yeah, that's not gonna happen. So okay. Eli, when you can you go get some wasp spray? Do you know where that is? And I'm gonna try.
Where is it?
Just hang it over the thing there, Declan.
Oh, that? Yeah, that one?
Hey, Declan, can you grab that package and put it in my room? Okay, come and get your hot dog, Lachlan. Bring that over here, Eli. Everybody needs it. Okay, tell everybody to come in. They have to eat.
Guys, come in.
We'll make queso and stuff for tonight, so for lunch. Oh, maybe they'll dry, or maybe I can put them in the dryer.
I just changed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just come and eat wet, guys. Yeah.
Eat while you're wet.
Yeah, just eat while you're wet.
Oh yeah. Do that.
Nash, can you tell Evelyn that it's time to come in?
yeah.
Weird.
Got a bunch of label on the cup.
Yeah, I put everybody's names on it, so don't lose them.
That's cool. Do they change their color?
Yeah.
What do they change to?
Whatever color it is.
Oh, it becomes darker or like a darker?
It becomes a more vibrant color.
Yeah. Okay, Miles, tell Evelyn she has to come. Oh, here she comes. I think.
I want some mist.
I don't know where you put it. Hot dogs are done though, and they're warm.
Can we only get one soda?
Huh? We're gonna have one soda for right now. Yeah, I don't know about tonight. We'll see.
One tonight, too?
Maybe.
How do I
Yeah. You gotta come over here and get your hot dog. Oh no, maybe not. Okay. You need to go grab your stuff and head that way and then come back around.
I gotta grab my stuff. Is this perfect? I'll walk very carefully.
Are you gonna have it on a bun?
I'll put it in the red spot.
Okay. Are you gonna grab a bun? No, only one. Only one for now. We'll get another one after.
Lights.
May look cute.
They're coming at me. Yeah, you guys, remember I said you're gonna end up tripping on the. I gotta put it up somewhere.
Yeah, we need some.
I'll take care of it, okay?
It feels like bubbles. It feels like water. Oh yeah.
Look at them all. They're like everywhere. Yeah, it's windy out today, so they're gonna go all over.
I need to focus on one bubble. I can't even focus.
That's cool. They're like going way over there. That's a pretty good one. Our other one never worked that good. Look at all the different colors too. What? No, I think that was our second one. This is our third one, I think. Huh? Okay, hold on.
What's the crocodile name? Eli's a crocodile. Hey, Mom, Eli's a crocodile. When Gabe showed my eyes, no, this is my mind.
That would be if I'm getting close to laugh.
You don't need to put your arms up. Just put them in front of you. And then you just, it's gonna dry.
Can I put my hat on if I put on my head?
Well, then you can't see it.
Put it on my hair. Me too.
Okay.
I'm gonna put on my hair like this one. I put on my hair.
Oh yeah, that works pretty good. It's kind of like a,
Just a little
Put more of it.
winkiness in it.
Put more of the Nielsen on it.
more of the hair gel.
Everywhere on my hair. Everywhere.
Okay. Now you know what you need to do is go get your mirror and go look.
I want my hair. I don't want it. I want it.
Shoot it at my arm. Ready?
It's okay. Too fun. Go.
I got it! Someone got it!
Pull it.
I got it!
Pull it. She did it before by herself.
Bubba, I got it! I got it!
Ready?
Hey. 3.
2, 1.
Wait, that's the hair color?
Yeah.
Oh, close your eyes. Hey, not my arms.
Okay.
It stinks.
Okay.
She like freaked out. Hold on. I need to get all this out of my.
Okay.
Oh wait.
Huh.
Oh, like, good deal. Sick though.
Do you have it all over? you get my back? I did. I got it.
Here, Evelyn, you can. What? Yeah. You can paint the ground. Okay. Gage, can you help with the to grab the marshmallow off the thing?
I think.
Smoke out.
This is a good way. Yeah, I like it.
Okay, no, Evelyn, stay there. Okay, give that to. Give it to Evelyn first, Gage. Yeah, but this is all we have for sticks. Gage it. Sticks or whatever.
What? Wait, no.
Gage.
You said you like me. No.
Gage, it's falling off. Gage.
What's falling
It's
off?
steak.
Gage, his
Oh, I can feel the chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
He did.
I
He
did my
was.
first time.
He said I am.
Here, Miles.
What?
He wants to make his own.
Gage.
Oh, go ahead then.
I
want to make this one.
When I said twin, they both looked at me the exact same time.
Here.
That's the key
Twin.
word, twin.
When I say one of you is my favorite, you're both my favorite because you're the same.
Oh, that's me.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's.
See, I know, I'm so nice.
Yeah, thank
so.
you, Greg.
Gage, you should have had one side red. Gage, you should have had one side red.
What do you need, Evelyn?
Gage, look at me. You should have had one
Okay,
side
go
blue
get it.
and one side red.
Well, we didn't
It's
have
in there with a straw, remember? Huh?
waffle.
Careful.
I guess this is what.
Give me those because you're not responsible. You already burnt them. How?
Good.
No, that's disgusting.
That's the best.
No,
I don't know what busting is.
this one's good.
Can I have crackle?
The other one that you burnt is burnt.
We'll see.
I like the one you made. I like the one you made. It's so hot. I don't like this one.
Watch out, Hudson. Be careful with her, okay?
Where's the chocolate?
Oh yeah, there is. Never mind.
Let's get full into it.
My eyeballs.
That didn't work.
5-second rule, quick. Can I? Quick. Sorry, what? 5-second rule. Yeah, it's 2-second rule on the ground outside.
Can I have another one?
In a minute. I gotta watch Declan first.
Can I make it?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Why did you come to me?
I like when it's bones.
Can I make another? It's on fire, Declan.
Oh no. Oh, can you blow it out?
It's a bonfire.
Nice.
There we go.
I don't think the lid is going off. Look, it's the big one.
No, not yet. Grand finale. Last one.